Hi everyone, my name is Ishanvi
My name is Vyom.
and today we would like to present our product prototype to you, which is Organ Match AI. It is an AI application for optimized organ transplantation. First of all, let's understand the problem here. After that, I will explain to who all our product will cater to, the data that the AI will need, the logic behind the entire application, and some potential risks which are involved in it. First of all, the problem. Currently, there are many hospitals around the world where people consult for organ transplantation, but they are put on waitlist for a long time, which often costs people their lives. So here the shortage of donors or incompatibility in organ types between a patient and a donor makes transplantation very difficult, and the process of tallying the data of a patient and a donor is completely manual, which makes it very lengthy and inefficient. There is no as such unified platform which can connect patients and donors in real time and help them to provide efficient organ transplantation.
Target users: patient in urgent need, individuals on transplant waiting list who will require a compatible organ as soon as possible. In such situations, time is often critical as the patient's life depends on fast and accurate matching with a donor. Willing organ donors: individuals living with a terminal or fatal condition who wish to donate their healthy organs. These donors need a trustworthy, secure and accessible platform to register and share their medical data and be connected with the right recipient.
Now, presenting to you our AI-powered solution. So, it will be an AI application which connects or acts as a hub for connecting a patient with a donor in the presence of a medical practitioner. So, by using machine learning and AI, we will be connecting or tallying the medical and biological data of a patient along with the medical specifics of a donor, match them, calculate the compatibility percentage, and then give a desired output which tells or gives a green signal to a medical practitioner whether the patient and a donor are an ideal match or if we should move forward with a surgical action or find another pair. So the system will be designed in such a way that it is accessible in all hospitals and clinics around the globe and make sure that there will never be another loss of life due to incompatibility or inefficiency in the process of tallying data. So, next up, the data that is required by the AI to perform its task. First of all is the requirements of a patient. Every patient has to submit their detailed organ requirements, that is their blood group, HLA markers, compatibility of tissues, medical history, or their criteria, that is if their need is highly urgent or not. Next, donor profile data, where any donor can register themselves who is willing to donate their healthy organs. They will also have to provide their full health records, specifics of their organs which they are willing to donate, as well as the location data. Then the AI will track hospitals, clinics, and other surgical practitioners around them who can perform the process of transplantation.
This flowchart shows the 5 steps of how our system, Organ Match AI, connects people to save lives. First is the input step. A user logs in and selects a category, donor or patient. Donors type in the specifics of the organ they want to give, and patients type in the exact requirements of the organs they need. Second is AI checks. AI looks at the data from both ends and starts cross-checking the specific details to find a potential match between a donor and a patient. Third is pattern. The AI looks for exact similarities and matching patterns between the donor's information and the patient's requirement to pair them up. Fourth is output. Once the AI finds a match, the application automatically exchanges the details of the donor and patient so they can connect and plan the transplant. The final step is human action. Because computers can make mistakes, real human experts must step in. They double check and thoroughly tally all the medical data to make absolutely sure everything is correct and safe before every surgery.
So this is a sample screen of the website that we will be providing. We will have 3 screens. The first one is a dashboard where any person can register themselves as either a patient who is in need of organ transplantation or a donor who is willing to donate a healthy organ. Second is where they will be entering all the medical data, the organ that, so if it's a patient, then they will enter the data of the organ that they need, their blood type, medical history, and all sorts of biological factors that the AI needs to perform its task. And the third screen is the last or the output screen in which the machine will tally. After tallying the data of the patient and the donor, it will give a final output. So here it will give a compatibility score between a patient and a donor and make sure that if they are a high fit, a moderate fit, or an incompatible match. This is a table of the sample data that we will be entering. This is the sample data that a patient can enter into the application to register themselves as a patient in need of organ transplantation. Here are the factors or the inputs that the machine will be taking. First is the blood type, the organ that they need, then the organs available by a donor, the blood type of the donor, and other biological factors. Then next is the distance or logistic factor, which will tally if the patient and the donor are close enough or live close by and near a surgical practitioner so as to perform the process of transplantation. And finally, the output that the machine will give, whether they are a high match, a moderate match, or an incompatible match.
Prototypes answers. Step 1. What does the user do first? The user registers on the platform and accesses either the request organ or register donor option. Step 2. What data or input is given? Detailed medical profiles including primary organ required, available, HLA typing, blood group, donor recipient, age, geographical location, urgency score, and medical history specific. Step 3. What does AI process or check? The algorithm evaluates or analyzes anatomical compatibility, keeping in mind the constraints between a patient and a donor. What output does the AI give? Generates a high probability compatible organ match, presenting matched pairs with all the necessary contact details as well as exchanges contact information. Step 5. What does the user do after that? Medical practitioners execute a mandatory human in the loop validation process, review the physical requirements as well as the required data, and then initiate the surgical phase after that.
So the main purpose of using AI here was simply to make the process less lengthy or make it more efficient than the current manual process. But of course, using AI comes with its separate challenges and there are a lot of potential risks involved. The first one is that while AI can be a very convenient helper in this process, the errors that AI performs can often cost a patient their lives. So the AI can often overlook any critical details. It can misread input which is given. That will lead to an incorrect match formation, which can lead to life-threatening complications in the patient after the process of transplantation. Then another very major problem that users might face is if the data is incorrect, outdated, or not formatted correctly, then also the AI will not be able to perform its task well or its accuracy will be compromised.
Responsible user note. For every match generated by the system, a certified transplant coordinator, physician, or medical practitioner is required to review the AI's recommendation, validate the compatibility data independently, and authorize the match before any clinical action is taken. Human oversight is not optional. It is a non-negotiable safety requirement here, as AI can only enhance clinical capability, not replace clinical responsibility. Thank you.
Tell me, who are your potential customers?
So, patients who are in urgent need of organ transplantation and a donor who is suffering from a terminal condition and they are willing to donate their healthy organs.
Is there any pipeline as well? For example, some bank type of where we can store some organs? Like
So-
how I will be, like for example, I need the organ today. I need a kidney today. Okay. So for example, how much time your application will take to find a donor for me?
So to tally one match, that is a match between only one patient and one donor, the AI will take just a matter of few seconds to tally the data. So until and unless it does not find a highly compatible match, it will keep on searching through the list of donors that a patient can potentially match with. So within a matter of few minutes to maximum an hour, the AI will be able to find a donor who is close by, with which the transplantation is practically possible.
What are your next step, future steps?
So the next step is to just make people more aware that such an application exists and to help them, obviously to teach them how to use the application properly, because we need to spread awareness on about the services that this application will provide and on how to use it, because here the main game is about inputting the data correctly. If the data is inputted wrongly or if it's outdated or not as per the machine's requirements or if it falls out of the machine's training, then it can lead to loss of life for the patient.